Merhaba, good evening. This evening we are going to react to another song by Manifest. Oh my god, I love these girls. Oh my god, this girl group is amazing. Oh my god. The song title is Zehir. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I've rehearsed it a couple of times on Google Translate. I hope the outcome was acceptable. This is a live performance, by the way. I haven't reacted to them performing live yet, so I'm really anxious to watch this video. LifePark, that's where the location is. Unfortunately, they didn't have proper subtitles. Let's hope that the auto-generated one will be enough. Let's go.
Bizim gibi, paramaz bizim gibi. Olurum sana zehir, olurum sana zehir. Paramaz bizim gibi.
Zehir, okay? I think I pronounced it understandably.
Kendinden de çok emin.
It could be understandable. Ooh, that's so smooth! She's just taking the camera and making a video, bro, during the concert. That's amazing. I love that.
Gerek yok parlamam için senin o ışığına. Boş bakışların dolu kıskançlık ele veriyor. Sanma kanarım bunlara, copycat on numara. Yüksek hızda gidiyoruz, bir iki yok bunlara. Manifest ya. Olamaz bizim gibi, paramaz bizim gibi. Manifest ya. Paramaz bizim gibi, kendinden de çok emin. Olurum sana zehir, olurum sana zehir.
Wow!
Olurum sana zehir, olurum sana zehir. Ne altın pırlanta, no need sıfır çaba. Bütün gözler hep üstünde. Kazıdık tırnakla, sevmeyi hiç bulaşma. Bütün gözler hep üstünde. Gerek yok parlamak için senin o ışığına. Boş bakışların dolu kıskançlık ele veriyor. Sanma kanırım bunlara, copycat on numara. Yüksek hızda gidiyoruz, bir iki yok kumara. Camera flash on manifest.
Oh my god, they're so good at dancing. I mean, leave alone the part where they sing so good, you know, and the beats are always amazing. They have such high energy and their choreographies are always so damn good. Oh my god, I mean, look at this part. What the hell? I want to see it again. That's so smooth.
Kırdık seni gölgemde dolaşayım. Camera flash on manifest. Yankılandı sesim fast. Pes ettirdik seni gölgemde dolaşayım. Camera flash on manifest. Yankılandı sesim fast. Pes ettirdik seni gölgemde dolaşayım. Camera flash on manifest. Yankılandı sesim fast. Pes ettirdik seni gölgemde dolaşayım.
Wow! That's so much energy. Know how they are dancing, like they're not wearing too many clothes, but still they're wearing those boots that I feel like you're sweating like crazy, you know? Oh my god, even in the what is it called, oh my god, I don't know how we call it. Whatever, that thing that you put like some type of, yeah, some type of glove. I think you call it glove, that one. Yeah, it's just a glove. I mean, oh my god, it must sweat like crazy. It must sweat like crazy for real, like that. Bro, this was so cool. They are so damn good. They're so damn good. Oh my god. Hypers. Ya Shana Kaksa. I don't know how to pronounce this one actually. Ah, there are so many songs. Wow. I only reacted to Snap and no, actually I reacted to 3 songs by them. KTS, Snap, and I don't remember the title of the other song. Yeah, their debut song that was super good. The one we were timeless, but I don't remember how you say it in Turkish. That was so damn good. Okay, okay, okay. I want to definitely keep on reacting to more by this girl group. But if you have any other recommendations also for Turkish music, please let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video with me. I hope I kept you entertained. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.